SHEIN has become one of the most popular fast fashion marketplaces in the world. Millions of shoppers are searching daily for the latest style. After Amazon, Walmart, and Wayfair, SHEIN has become a global powerhouse for fashion sellers. But with so many new sellers joining every day, ranking your products at the top of SHEIN search is tougher than ever. Think about it. If your dress or accessory isn't showing up on the first page, you are practically invisible. But don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how SHEIN SEO works so you can boost visibility and sales. Step number 1. Optimize your listing. To rank on SHEIN, your listing needs to be optimized. Your title, description, and visuals. And the golden rule? Keywords. You have got to put the right trending keywords in the right places. But the question is how you can find the best keywords. You need keyword research. You can use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. This tool help you find the best keywords. Anyway, you can do another thing. If you go to SHEIN and then search something, let's say tops. Now, here you can see some suggested keywords appears below. These are the most searched keywords. Now, if I go very specific, such as tops for going out, and now these are the most searched keywords, that's SHEIN showing you what people are really searching for. Use those keywords in the title and description. Step number 2. Craft the perfect title. Here you find the guideline for the title. You can see SHEIN set the guideline on title. Like first, brand name, and then material, and then color, pattern, keyword, and then length, category. Here is the example. Now you have to avoid special characters. Also, you have to create title within 5 to 11 words. Always include the main keyword plus details like style, color, and type. Step number 3. Description and attributes. Now let's talk about the descriptions. A good description doesn't just describe, it sells. Think of it as your chance to answer every question the customer asking for. Because if buyers are left guessing, they bounce. Simple as that. So, what should go inside a winning SHEIN description? Here's the checklist. Material and feel. Say it straight like cotton, polyester, stretchy, soft, breathable. Fit your info. Tight, loose, cropped, oversized. Buyers want to image how it feels on their body. Use case like this is for office, casual wear, gym, or night out. Style details. You should also put style details like pockets, zippers, waistline, buttons, anything that makes it unique. Also, you should include care instruction like is it machine washable or dry clean. Don't skip this. It reduces complaints. Alright, you can see the size chart here. You can also add size chart. Honestly, this one is the biggest return killer. Now, avoid fluff like great product, you will love it. That tells me nothing. Instead, be specific. Keep your description around 150 to 200 words. Hit the keyword naturally. And most importantly, make sure it matches reality. Because the fastest way to tank your ranking is when buyers feel misled. Now, attributes are critical. If buyers filter by material as cotton or style like oversized and you didn't fill those out, your product won't appear. See this? Shoppers can filter by color, size, fabric, pattern. If you skip this field, you disappear from filtered results. So always fill every single attribute. Step number 4. Your images. Your main image is everything on SHEIN. Products with bold, professional, lifestyle shots always get more clicks. SHEIN shoppers love visuals that show style in action. So use model photos, trendy poses, and lifestyle backgrounds. Add multiple images, zoomed in fabric details, and even short videos if available. Here you can see the difference. A plain flat lay versus a styled model shot. The styled one gets way more engagement. Step number 5. Reviews and engagement. Just like any platform, reviews boost rankings. More 5-star reviews means more trust, and that means higher visibility. So how do you get reviews on SHEIN? Deliver products quickly, match your listing details to reality, and encourage satisfied buyers to leave feedback. And here is a bonus. Engagement matters too. Products with more saves, shares, and purchase often get pushed higher in SHEIN algorithm. So there you have it, the blueprint of ranking number 1 on SHEIN in 2025. Keyword-rich title, trendy description, complete attributes, high-quality images, and positive reviews. And hey, if managing all these feel overwhelming, that's where we at Ecomclips step in. With over 15 years in e-commerce, we know exactly how to optimize and scale your SHEIN business. Reach out to us at info@ecomclips.com and let's grow your SHEIN store together. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.